Hey everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. It is a vlog where I am just doing a lot. With that being said, I got some Amazon packages and I want to unbox them for you. Okay, so I got a new cup, y'all. I know I got a problem, but I seen the colors and I just had to have it. Second box, I think, is a pair of shoes. It's a pair of shoes for myself. All right. So I've been eyeing these for about a week now. No. Like almost a month. And I meant to ask Charles for them for my birthday, but I forgot. So just some cute little New Balance. What did I get? I got a kid size 7. And then last but not least is this box here. Ain't that something? I ordered a soccer ball for her because she's supposed to have one, and it doesn't come blown up. So luckily we have a air pump here, but they had to get size 4 soccer balls. And then we also have some soccer shin guards. Like, these are green, size medium. All right, so in this box comes 2 shin guards in here. And then there's also green socks, knee-high socks. And that's all that comes in here, the socks and the shin guards. Even though I found these at Target the other night for $1. At first I wanted to order these, so I had ordered these before I found them. They're like little Lego pieces. I use these with like my small groups where they can put these on the board, and then when they uncover all of them and say the actual words, then they can use 3 minutes to build something with those. Bought me a book. This is one of my favorite kids authors. Drew Daywalt, the crayons series. So this is the crayons Go Back to School. So we have red, blue, purple, another blue, and yellow. So just some mouth guards for kids for soccer. So the soccer ball does come with a pump, and it comes with 2 needles, that way in case you need the other one. I told you guys we were going to try these cake pops that I got from Food Lion for $5. They taste exactly just like the Starbucks ones that you get. Hey y'all, it is a lovely Monday afternoon. My car is reading 68 degrees for the actual first few days in March. It's a total shocker. So I am headed to Kroger really quickly to grab Cam's medicine, and then I'm gonna head home. I don't have anything to do today. I said I was gonna do Sky's hair today, but I think I'm gonna let her enjoy her evening, and I'll do it tomorrow. With that being said, today's dinner is just gonna be something simple because I cooked yesterday. So I still have like butter noodles left over. We still have like enough for 3 Philly cheesesteak sandwiches to be made. We also have Lunchables and other things like that.
Ooh, I can buy canes too. One time I was cooking and didn't have a light on.
I got pulled over one time, and that was because they said I didn't hit the signal to make he said that I didn't stop at the stop sign. Even though I stopped, he just couldn't see. So just got out of Kroger, and y'all, they had trash bags on closeout. 2 of them left. I surely did grab them for $5.27. I also got a thing of Drano. For some reason, our toilet just seems so small, so I grabbed that so that I can do that once I get home, hopefully, if I can beat Cam in the house before he needs to get to use it. But anyways, let me show y'all. I got like 80 bags for $10. Not bad, even though like it probably would have been better to just get it at like a Sam's Club or Costco. But y'all know I do closeouts. Yeah, I got dish detergent. I thought that I had got some candy, y'all. That tells y'all I need to stay out of Kroger. But Sky got some candy, some Sweethearts, one of them. Alright, y'all, now that I am settled in the house, I got 2 Amazon packages and I can't even remember what it is that I ordered. I ended up getting candle dye. Remember I said that I was gonna like stop trying to do the resin and epoxy stuff, that I really wanted to lean towards trying something different. So I bought the candle dye to make wax melts. And then in this box here, I have a 2-pack of the toothbrush holder. This was something that I needed in the bathroom, but for the kids, I just didn't want to pay an arm and a leg for it anywhere else. And I got me some stretchy Apple bands, watch bands, because these ones right here, when the sun is out, it'll like make it feel like it's like sweating under there, but it'll also like leave my skin 2 different colors, if you get what I'm saying. So like these ones are much better than the like plastic ones. A bunch of things I need to get up and get ready to do. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday afternoon. I am heading home. I really gotta pee like so bad. I'm trying to get there. It's like traffic. That's why I didn't want to go anywhere, but Sky's like so insisting on trying to go to Sephora, and I'm just like, I'm trying to go home and pee. I'm trying to get out of traffic because I know that this is what happens around 3:30 or whatever. So hopefully I can get home fast because like I said, I gotta go. Anyways, I don't have anything planned at home. I think there's probably like a couple dishes to do. And that's probably really it. I am still hungry because I did not really eat lunch like talking about, because the student of ours that I'm like basically the one-on-one for has lost his everlasting mind. And he was sent home today before 12 o'clock. So that it's y'all, it's hey y'all, so listen to me vent real quick. I got home yesterday and there was like some blunt wrappers in my yard, tissues. Well, of course I didn't take a picture of it right when it happened because I was so furious I just moved it. I am you know, of course, going back to venting about the bull crap that my neighbor allows her son to do when he, you know, keeps moving back in with this BS. If I go and throw the trash back to you, I'm letting you know like it's your trash. And for you to like walk past the house and say, man, this bitch keep doing this trash back here, it's not mine. First of all, find another freaking word to say. That's all you and your family say. Over it, Benito. Done hearing it. It just goes to show that, like, I'm younger than all of y'all. And I'm, like, basically your son's age. But still, I'm young enough to, like, have respect for myself. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm going to get me some lunch. I think I want some chicken nuggets with some sweet and sour sauce. So that's what I'm gonna head on down here to get, and then head back to work and enjoy my little meal. Hey y'all, I'm home. So normally on Thursdays I clean. Let me just tell you, I ain't doing that today. Air freshener up in here, and that's it. Dishes got done this morning before I went to work. I was like, I'm not doing them. I'm not doing them when I come home. And y'all, it's like almost 70 degrees outside. I need to take this hot coat off, especially because I'm hot in here. So I'm gonna turn this heat off in here. Then again, I might turn the AC on just for like a hot minute. Let it get a little cool up in here. I got this load going, but that don't mean that I'm about to sit up here and like, you know, wait on it to be done. That's my thing. I'm not doing it. Anyways, let me unload my stuff, sit down and have a think moment, because today has been like, yes, y'all, I'm about half asleep. So we came up here to Dunkin' before I take Sky to her first ever soccer practice. Coffee is life right now, y'all. Got me a French vanilla iced latte, a ham and Swiss croissant, and then a strawberry donut. Y'all, so I'm sitting there getting ready to get this food and stuff. Literally sitting there getting ready to get my French vanilla iced latte, right? Tell me why they go and have sent me an email at 3 o'clock that I obviously did not get and pay attention to, that they've canceled practices because the fields are apparently all wet, so no practice today. And then they're like, it's supposed to rain Saturday, so they wouldn't be surprised if there's no game Saturday either. I am just going to go get some Chick-fil-A for dinner, and then head my tail back home, because honestly I am exhausted. I was looking forward to seeing her get out on the field, and you know, just to see her have a good time. I know that she's been looking forward to this, but I wish that I would have seen the email earlier than making us come out and you know, her getting excited to get ready to go. So like I said, I'm gonna grab some Chick-fil-A and head back home, get some editing done, and just watch some TV and relax. Ooh, I need the full weekend to relax and recover. The student that we have is escalating a lot more, you know, like a lot more yelling, a lot more violence, like hurry up and da-da-da. He talks to you like he's an old man, and he's clearly only like 5 or 6, right? So like he'll go up and give me my, or then he'll be, Miss David, I need help. With sir, you don't need help. So with that being said, I'm just flat out exhausted. I'm going to get me some lunch. I'm probably just gonna go to Wawa, get me some meatballs, macaroni and cheese, and a refresher, and maybe a snack or two last me to do the rest of the day. First, I gotta go get money off, or more money off for rent, because I just wanted to, I forgot that you only could do like the daily allowance yesterday. Hey y'all, it is 3 o'clock. I just came from the bank. Y'all see I tried to do it earlier, but the line won't move in. I was like, peace, deuce, can't do this. I still need lunch. So I went to Wawa and got a refresher, and oh my God, it was so good. Y'all gotta try this one right here. It's called like Island Mermaid, or I can't remember what it's called, but y'all, it was good. And then I got a sub, bag of salt and vinegar chips, and I also got just a Mountain Dew and meatballs and mac and cheese, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Now me and Sky are out of school, and we're gonna head on down to Dunkin' after leaving the bank to go grab, she wants ice cream, I want an iced coffee, so why not? Alright y'all, got me a vanilla iced coffee. I hope she did this right, like I said, because I was like, I want a vanilla and chocolate swirl, because they didn't have cotton candy. Sky's been waiting to get that. Then I asked for a French vanilla iced coffee. Never came up on the screen for me to even see if it was correct or not. So, I guess we'll see. Looks like it's supposed to be right. It's right. Sky, is yours right? Chocolate and vanilla? Anyways, I'm going home. I gotta at least sit on my couch for 20 minutes before I plan to do anything else. I really don't want to do nothing. I tell you, look at my head, y'all. I'm trying to pat it down, but it's been a day. Laundry was already done, so I don't have to worry about doing none of that. Dishes, I think that there's maybe like 4 or 5 dishes. Y'all know Thursdays are my cleaning day, but today's Friday, and normally I just come straight in the house and relax. I am tired. I really am. Like, I slept good, went to bed at a good time last night, but man, it's just the end of the week, and I'm feeling it. Next week, we'll go Monday through Thursday, and then I'm taking the day off next Friday. It's a PD day, professional development day. I don't want to do it. Y'all was looking on the camera at home, because yes, I do be looking on that thing. Looks like I have some packages outside of my house. So I have, I think I have Rack Room, and then I also have Temu, and I couldn't remember what the other one was, but all of it's been delivered, so amen for that. Going home to unbox, so I'll see you there. I remembered, y'all, it was Five Below. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the house. Bought my packages inside. I'll show you guys what I got from Five Below first. And I know it's not really good lighting in here, but it is what it is. Alright, so first thing that I got in this big box, I don't know why they put it in this big box, right, is, oh my god, this is so small. This is not what I thought that it would be. I literally thought that it would be a little bit bigger, but I guess this will be okay to use at work to like tote around all of my belongings. I also got a towel that says Game Over, and it just has like a console on it, so it is a beach towel. $5.55 just for this long, nice beach towel. And then I also got Sky, just like this travel net pillow. And this is the newer one. I guess this is like the Easter design for those. And then I also got them these, which will go in their Easter baskets. This was just like $5 something. Full Squishmallows. You can't beat this, especially for like Squishmallows. So I wanted to make sure that I had got her one in him. Last but not least, for $1, I ended up getting 2 new buckets for the kids, as I will design these again this year with something on them of their liking, probably like Hello Kitty and Sonic. And then we'll just go from there. So they were only $1.